P Diddy and Jay-Z in the spotlight. Tonight, a bombshell ruling shakes the entertainment world. A federal judge has granted a rape accuser, Jane Doe, the right to remain anonymous, at least for now. But that's not all. This ruling isn't just a legal decision. It's a fiery rebuke to Jay-Z's defense team for what the judge calls a waste of judicial resources. Let's rewind for a moment to uncover how we got here. Sean P. Diddy Combs has spent the last 3 months behind bars at the Metropolitan Detention Center, facing federal charges of racketeering, sex trafficking, and conspiracy. But Diddy's legal troubles didn't begin with his September arrest. They exploded onto the scene in November of last year with a civil suit alleging sexual abuse. Since then, lawsuits have piled up like a scandalous avalanche. Now another megastar has entered the legal crosshairs. Jay-Z, a party turns into a nightmare. Jane Doe, who filed this civil suit, paints a harrowing picture. She says she met Diddy's limo driver outside the MTV Video Music Awards in September 2000. According to her, the driver told her she'd fit what Diddy was looking for and invited her to an exclusive afterparty at a lavish white mansion. Inside, she claims, celebrities mingled as alcohol flowed freely. But this wasn't your typical Hollywood bash. Jane Doe alleges she was coerced into signing an NDA and given a drink laced with something bitter. Moments later, feeling disoriented, she sought refuge in what she thought was an empty room. That's when things took a dark turn. According to her lawsuit, Sean Combs entered the room, accompanied by 2 other celebrities. What happened next is chilling. Jane Doe accuses them of violently assaulting her. She was just 13 years old. One of the alleged perpetrators, Jay-Z, now publicly named in the suit. Legal fireworks, the judge speaks out. Jay-Z's legal team wasted no time firing back, demanding Jane Doe reveal her identity. But the judge wasn't having it. In a scathing decision, she slammed their tactics, calling out the litany of motions as combative and inappropriate. The judge laid out the factors for keeping Jane Doe anonymous. 1. The sensitive and personal nature of the case. 2. The risk of retaliation and harm. 3rd, her vulnerability, especially considering her age at the time of the alleged assault. For now, Jane Doe's identity remains protected, but the judge hinted this decision could change as the case progresses. The bigger picture. This case has far-reaching implications. It's not just about the allegations. It's a glimpse into the murky world of Hollywood parties and the power dynamics that have shielded the rich and famous for decades. Attorney Tony Busby, representing Jane Doe, has promised more lawsuits, possibly over 100. And with the federal charges against Diddy already moving toward trial, could more high-profile names join the legal fray? What's next? The clock is ticking. Jury selection for Diddy's criminal trial begins May 5th, 2025. Both sides claim they're ready for battle. But will this be a quick fight or a drawn-out legal war? And what about Jay-Z? Could the federal authorities shift their focus to him as these allegations gain traction? For now, all eyes are on the courtroom, where celebrity reputations, decades of Hollywood secrets, and the truth will collide in a battle that could change everything. Stay tuned as we follow every twist and turn of this legal saga